ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, we're going to be taking a look at the new 2021 2-pack of Doc Hudson and Double Clutch Daley. Now, he was the pity that you saw holding the flag at the in the flashback scene when Doc did the flip over the other, forgot his name. On the back, you see, come on. What's his name? Speedy Comment and Parker Breakson, which, that's the actual one. Eric Jones and Ryan Inside Laney, Hit and Run. I don't remember the names. Jackson Storm and his pity. Now, this video is being brought to you on the day of the one of the most historic days in NASCAR, when Bristol Dirt is happening. So you all know that it's going to be a good day. So I thought, you know what? Let's end this week with one of the greatest dirt track racers in Cars, in the Disney Cars movie, and showing off one of the greatest drivers from back when NASCAR first started with the Fabulous Hudson Hornets. Well, let's get this guy unboxed. Doc, pretty similar to every other Thailand Doc, as I bring out the China Fabulous Hudson Hornet to see the big difference, which really just color scheme, the dirt decals, and the back here has white on the taillights instead of blue. Every other detail about this Doc in the eyes. But that's basically it for the Doc. Now, the real star of the show, the pity. This is the first ever pity for the 1950s races, and this pity looks really nice. It's one of the better double packs of this year, I feel like, unlike later on when I'll be unboxing this one again because I needed this guy. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Definitely, if you have nothing planned, 2 o'clock, Bristol. You should watch it. You'll enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, you can yell at me in the comments. But I'll see you guys next time.